Welcome guys back to another video. I just made a video a few seconds ago. It's probably processing. And yeah, can you see my hand? Yeah, you can see me. Well, back on another video. And this is the video after I just made that other video. And I thought maybe I actually should show the McLaren.
That you gave me for I gave you like $.
No. Like the Lambo versus what was that sports car versus?
Lamborghini Avatar. The one I have?
Yeah.
The electric one?
Maybe I should go check the other video.
Well, can you record? This will be on my channel. Okay, so we're going to do races, and you're going to be over there holding the camera, like, down
Well,
there
it's a phone.
with the phone or whatever records it. Okay, so we're going to do McLaren vs. McLaren. I just bought this one from Griffin.
He gave me a lot of money for it. Let's hear the sounds.
Okay, this is this one will be the blue one. Here's the reddish one.
Oh, nice, bruh. One more time. One more time.
1, go. That was pretty much the time.
I didn't get it on camera. Redo it. My camera.
Can you restart the video?
No. Oh, we can do it again. Sorry, guys, about the camera. Maybe I should step back a little bit more. Let's just do the race. We already heard the sounds. Go. And the McLaren won. And the McLaren that I used to have, that orange one, it won. That was obvious.
Yeah, obviously it would.
Yeah. My McLaren is my third fastest car in my entire cars.
Lambo Avatar. And it has less horsepower than a Mustang. I'm not kidding. Not a Mustang, but a GT 500.
That's a McLaren.
It has 750.
It makes sound. Let's hear the sound.
Here's the red one. Let's wait for it to go.
Oh yeah, the McLaren.
Here's the other one.
Nice. Now let's do the race. I'm gonna record right there.
Ready?
Yep. Put it right. And then the McLaren actually won. I could see it. Won on the camera. Guys, we do it in slow motion. I couldn't see that. Maybe if you guys can do slow motion on your videos, whatever.
Now I'm gonna use my McLaren against.
Do you want to edit this video?
No.
Good.
Let's hear the sounds of the white Lambo Hurricane.
What about that
And
one?
then we can hear the McLaren.
Okay. I got it pointing right there. Ready?
Go. The McLaren won again.
Yep. Wow.
Well, anyways, this McLaren's not the best McLaren. It's not a GT McLaren, but it is one of the good McLarens.
Yeah! And I'm going to show you.
I'm going to go GT Mustang.
Now the McLaren. Nice. Now let's do the birds. You didn't know these are pullback cars, so yeah, just go. The Mustang had a ginormous lead on that one. We feel sad for the McLaren, but good job for winning all those other races, eh? I'm gonna show you the car pictures I had.
I put it in the video.
Well, I did it in my video. These are my cars. So, if you want to see monsters, one more car. It's going to take a while to process this. One more car. See, these are pullback
Here's the
cars.
sounds of the Mustang GT 500.
And then the McLaren GT500, pretty cool. Now McLaren. Nice. Now there's the race. Go.
I think that was the McLaren.
Yeah, I think that was actually the McLaren.
By a little bit. I think
By Tanya McLaren.
the slow motion was probably like this.
So, if you guys want to see more videos like this, you tell them. You tell them. The video's over.
It's over. Yeah.
If you guys want to see more videos like this on his channel, because this is on his channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button for him and hit the other channel. This channel is going to be on Marshall All's channel, okay, Marshall?
Yeah, the McLaren one again.
This is going to be on Marshall All's channel, okay? Not Marshall Reedford. Okay, is that fine?
Why?
Fine, Marshall
My
Reedford.
other channel has less subscribers.
Fine, Marshall Reedford.
People don't subscribe. I'm not bad.
Mine either. Nobody subscribes. And we will. And now, tell them to say bye.
Bye.
And
See you in another video.
peace out.
No.